here from Don Creative, and today we are going to look at putting up a WordPress blog. So we have just logged in using our hazelchapman.com WP admin link, and we've entered our details, and we should have our list of options on the side here. Now I've got the developers menu open, so I've got a lot more than you will have, but what's important is that we have posts. So here we're going to click on posts, and it's going to bring up the one we're after. So here we can see the list of blogs that we currently have. Here's one that I did earlier that's listed as a draft, so that means that it hasn't been published yet. But today we're going to create a new one. So we've got two options. We can hit the add new here, or we can hit the add new here. Either will do the same thing. So I've clicked on add new, and we are just bringing up the new site. So here is the title post area right up the top here. So this is going to be the main title for the post. Today we're going to use the term New Zealand rocks, and this will now be our title. So that's going to carry across when you link with your Twitter or something like that. This is going to be the main title that people see. So this should be what the post is about. Within here, we can see this is where the content is going to be. Today we're just going to make up some content, which is going to be NZ is a great place to be. And people can come and debate you on that. So under this section here, we've got add media. Now what's important to note is that this button will add media to the content of the blog. Now we will use our monkey flower because that is already loaded up, and we will insert that into the post down on the bottom right hand corner there. You'll see that I've clicked it. So you can see that this is loaded into the blog. Now, a couple of tricks. If we want to link to a certain place, we can do that. So we can hit the link button, and we can link this to this post if we like, or any place on the internet. So this is just any URL. This might reference perhaps another blog. It could be a Twitter location. It could be anywhere. So we put the link in here, we hit apply, and then now we have NZ as a great place to be, and in this case it is now linked back to this post. We've got our picture of the monkey flower, but we're not done yet. If we want the post to have an image on our blog's page, we're going to have to do one more thing. We're going to have to set a feature image. Now the feature image is the image that people are going to see. Now in this case we're going to use a slightly different one. We will use the Google Scholar logo, and we will set it as our featured image down the bottom right hand corner here. So now we've got a blog post that has some content, a title, an internal image, and an external image that we can see down here. The one last thing that we need to do is we need to categorize it. So we need to say that it's a blog and that's where it's going to head. So we are pretty much good to go, and we can now publish. Hit publish, and if we now go to hazelchapman.com and we head over to the blogs, we can see that that blog has uploaded. Look at that. Here it is here. Now we will go back into our other window, and we will have a look at how to delete a post. Maybe you've done the wrong thing. Maybe it's not a post that you want up. Maybe you just need to edit it. So we head into the post, and you'll see down below here we've got four options. View, which will allow you to view it as anyone on the internet would be able to see. Trash, which will delete it and remove it. If you do hit trash, we do have a trash folder over here, so you can recover it. So if you ever do that by accident, trash is just over here, no problems, you can go and grab it. Quick edit, we probably won't use that too much, and edit. So in this case, we hit edit, it'll open the post back up, and we can go in and say, New Zealand is a great place to be. If you like rain in the winter. And just like that, we hit update. That's the really important part, and that will publish that straight directly to the internet. And you are done. In this case, we will stay and we will update that. In this case, we are actually going to go back to and delete this one because this is not a blog from you, Hazel. So here we go. We hit trash, and that is now gone. And you are all good to go. Thanks for watching.